everyone, it's me Lizzy. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna make some clear slime. So the ingredients that I will gonna use is clear glue, water, a bowl, and a mixing tool, and your activator. You can use Borax, Tide, or Ariel, but now I'm gonna use Borax. So let's get started. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, press that like button below. And if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe now. And if you already did it, write their hashtag I did it. And this slime is not that clear enough, but when you stretch it, it's clear. And if you want it clear, really clear, wait up to 5 to 7 days. Or if you don't want that long enough, you can just do it, just overnight it. When you wake up in the morning, it's already clear, but just a bit. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!